Column addition with 4-digit numbers and with no regrouping required. Let's get straight into it and have a go at the first question. So here we have 3,410 plus 1,062. Here's our 3,000s, our 400 and the 10, and then below we've got 1,000, no hundreds here, and then 6 tens, 60, and then 2. So let's see how we can add this together using column addition. I'm going to start with the units column. So we always start with the units and then work our way along. That's more for when we do have to do carrying or regrouping, but it's really good practice just to do it the same way every time. So we've got 0 units in the top number and then added to 2. So that's just going to give us 2. And what I'll do is just move this up here so we get our, I'll move it down here and then just merge it together so you can see we've got 2 there. Now we move on to the tens column. So I'll just get rid of that, and we've got 1 10 plus 6 tens, which is going to be 7 tens, and you can see that here we've got 1 added to the 6 tens gives us 7 tens, which is 70. Now with the hundreds we just have 4 add 0, there's 4 hundreds, add no hundreds, just gives us 400 still. There's our 400. And last but not least, to the 3,000s plus the 1,000 gives us 4 in the thousands column. And I'm going to just merge all of these together. And you can see here our answer is 4,472, and it's here as well. So that's question number 1. Let's have a look at question number 2. Right, we've got 1,623, 1,623. Then we've got 6,254. So let's get going with the units column again. So we've got 3 plus the 4 gives us 7 units. And if I put this together here, you can see there's the 7. We've then got in the tens column 2 plus 5 is 7, or 20 plus 50 is 70. Move that down to there. There's our 7 tens, making 70. Moving on again to the hundreds column, we've got 6 hundreds plus 2 hundreds gives us 8 hundreds. Merge that together and there's our 800. And the very last column, we've got 1 plus 6 is 7, 1,000 plus 6,000 is 7,000. Merge that together and there is our answer, 7,877. Moving on to question 3. This one is 4,120 plus 2,446. Again, we're going to start with the units column here. 0 plus 6 is just a 6. We can merge that together to show the 6. Now we have 2 plus 4 is going to give us 6 tens, which is 60. And there's our 6 tens, which makes 60. 1 plus 4 gives us 5, so 5 hundreds. And 4 plus 2 gives us 6, 6 in the thousands column there, and there's our answer. And we've got 6,566, and you can see it here with the counters as well. Right. Number 4, 6,234, add 3,745. Starting with the units column, as always, 4 plus 5 gives us 9 units. Let's merge those together. And then moving on to the tens column, 3 add 4 is 7. So we've got 7 in the tens column. You can see that 7 there, 3 and 4 gives us the 7. The 2 and 7 gives us 9 in the hundreds column. So if we put these to here, you can see there's the 900s. Merge them together. I think I'm going to have them down here actually, like I did with the other ones. So we've done the 3 place value columns now. We now need to do the fourth one, the thousands. So we have 6 add 3 gives us 9, or 9,000. And you can see it here with the 6 add the 3. There's our 9,000s merged together to show the 9,000 there. And we can see our answer is 9,979. Right, time for you to have a go. So these are 4 other similar questions that you can have a go at. Let's have a look at the answers. We've got 4 plus 5 is going to be 9. 2 plus 7 is 9 again. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So 6,999. Number 2, we've got 9 again. 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6,899. And for number 3, we've got 3 plus 6 is 9. Lots of 9s. And we've got 4 for the 10s. 9 for the hundreds. And then 5 for the thousands. So that one is 5,949. And finally, 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 3 and 4 is 7. So 7,289. Okay, so on to the challenge. So the challenge for this activity is to create your own 4-digit column addition without any regrouping, but you have to make the answer exactly 3,254. And if you've made one, post it in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.